About this item. Vacuum and mop in one go. With 5,000 pascals suction, picking debris effectively from hard floor and carpet, an OZMO Turbo 2.0 dual mop rotating system, rotating at high speed to dissolve and remove stubborn stains, T10 OMNI leaves your floors clean as new. OMNI Station for ultimate hands-free cleaning. The OMNI Station automatically sucks the dust into its 3L sealed dust bag, washes the mops timely to keep them clean, and hot dries the washed mops after each cleaning session to avoid odor over time. True Mapping 2.0 for a more efficient, effective clean. Utilizing the same tech in self-driving car, DEEBOT's LiDAR and DTOF sensors generate maps more accurate of V-SLAM and camera-based technology. That means a faster, more efficient, more thorough clean. Knows exactly what to avoid. With AIVI 3.0 technology, an advanced visual recognition and powerful AI processor with Starlight RGB camera, it precisely identifies and avoids common indoor obstacles, freeing from collisions, entanglements, and disruptions. Industry-leading voice control. With a powerful voice database and voice recognition technology, the industry-leading YIKO AI voice assistant instantly recognizes your voice and lets you give cleaning commands or change settings. Live monitoring with two-way video call. The Starlight camera allows you to view your home in real time, enabling two-way video calls to check on family members and pets. Product privacy protection certification ensures your privacy and data security. What you get: T10 robot vacuum, OMNI Station, 2 sets of spinning mopping pads, 2 auto-sealed dust bags, 1 set of side brushes, 1 cleaning brush, multifunction cleaning tool, user manual, friendly after-sale service, and our worry-free 12-month warranty.